Okay, hold on to your seats because this is going to sound absolutely insane. Imagine an iPhone so advanced that it can charge your AirPods while you're holding it, take photos clearer than a NASA satellite, and still somehow manage to drain your bank account faster than you can say, upgrade. Yes, we're talking about the iPhone 17 Pro Max. And today, I'm spilling the beans on the top leaked features that are guaranteed to make you question whether your current phone is even worth keeping around anymore. But here's the kicker. It's not just about specs, it's about how Apple is playing their cards smarter than ever before. So buckle up, tech lovers, because by the end of this video, you'll either be hyped or horrified or both. All right, let's dive straight into the first bombshell, the design. Now, if you thought last year's Dynamic Island was revolutionary, wait till you hear this. According to leaks, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is ditching the horizontal camera bump trend for something even bolder, a massive bar housing all three cameras. And guess what? The LiDAR sensor and flash have been shoved off to the side like they were late to dinner. Oh, and there's even chatter about a potential screen embedded right in the middle of the bar. A screen in the camera bar? If true, this could redefine smartphone aesthetics or ruin them entirely. But I don't think it will be something like this. But wait, it gets better. Remember how annoyingly big the Dynamic Island felt when it first launched? Well, Apple's shrinking it down again, making it sleeker and less intrusive. It's almost like they're apologizing for overdoing it last time. Or maybe they're just teasing us with incremental changes to keep us hooked. Either way, smaller island tactic toward bigger smiles. Now, here's where things get juicy. For years, Samsung and other Android giants have been laughing at Apple for refusing to add reverse wireless charging. But no more. Rumor has it, the iPhone 17 Pro Max might finally support reverse charging. Picture this. You're out with friends and someone says, "Hey, my AirPods are dead." Boom. You whip out your iPhone, slap their AirPods on the back, and save the day like some kind of tech superhero. Of course, knowing Apple, don't expect miracles. My bet, this feature will only work reliably with Apple devices, leaving Android users crying in the corner. Classic Apple move, right? If photography is your thing, then prepare to lose your mind. Last year, the iPhone 16 Pro Max gave us a 48 megapixel ultra-wide lens, but the telephoto lens stayed stuck at 12 megapixel. Not this time. Word on the street is the iPhone 17 Pro Max is upgrading its telephoto game to a whopping 50 megapixel. That means zooming in 15x or even 20x won't look like a pixelated mess anymore. And oh, did I mention there's talk of extending digital zoom capabilities up to 50x, 50 times zoom. Sure, it'll probably still be digital zoom, but hey, who cares when you can pretend you're secretly spying on your neighbors from across the street? But wait, there's more. While everyone's obsessing over rear cameras, Apple hasn't forgotten about selfies. The front-facing camera is reportedly getting bumped up to 24 megapixel. That's double the resolution of the current model. Whether you're taking mirror selfies or vlogging your life away, those details are going to pop like never before. And paired with the smaller Dynamic Island, your FaceTime calls are about to feel like you're sitting in the same room as the person on the other end. Unless, of course, your Wi-Fi sucks. Then good luck. Let's talk power under the hood. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is rumored to pack the next-gen A19 Pro chip, which promises speeds up to 20% faster than the already lightning-fast A18 Pro. To put that into perspective, imagine downloading an entire season of your favorite Netflix show in the time it takes you to blink. Oh, and battery efficiency? Yeah, they're working on that too. With custom silicon chips handling everything from Wi-Fi 7 to 5G, Apple's basically saying, hey, why settle for great when you can have perfect? Spoiler alert, they're probably going to charge extra for perfection. And speaking of multitasking, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is allegedly packing 12 gigabytes of RAM. Why does this matter? Because now you can open 50 apps at once without your phone throwing a tantrum. Editing videos, gaming, streaming, all at the same time? Done. Apple Intelligence running smoothly in the background? Double done. Honestly, between the A19 Pro chip and the RAM boost, this phone feels less like a device and more like a personal assistant that doesn't judge you for watching cat videos at 3 a.m. Finally, let's address the elephant in the room, battery life. Thanks to those fancy new chips and improved efficiencies, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to crush its predecessors in terms of endurance. Streaming, gaming, scrolling through memes, it'll handle it all without breaking a sweat. Though, let's be real, if history repeats itself, iOS updates will somehow find a way to eat through that battery anyway. But hey, at least it starts strong. So there you have it. The iPhone 17 Pro Max leaks that prove Apple isn't slowing down anytime soon. From redesigns to ridiculous upgrades, this phone is shaping up to be the ultimate gadget powerhouse. But here's the million-dollar question. Are these features worth emptying your wallet for? Or are you perfectly happy sticking with your trusty old iPhone? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one of them. And hey, if you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of iPhones, smash that like button before Siri decides to delete this video for being too awesome. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech news, reviews, and wild predictions. Until next time, stay charged, stay connected, and remember, your phone may be smart, but you're smarter. Peace out.